Here we have a black Bugari Castiglione piano accordion with low, middle, middle, middle configuration of reeds on the right hand. It has a full 41 key keyboard on the right hand. There is no tone chamber, but it has a mute section on here. So we have a whole bunch of switches here. We have the bassoon, and here you can hear the bassoon open, and with the mute, it almost simulates the tone chamber without having the weight of the tone chamber added, which is very important. You have bandoneon. You have the other middle and low, little detuned. Two middles and a low. You have two middles and a low here. The master, which is also on a palm switch. Three middles. So you can hear there's a nice amount of musette on there, but it's not a very overbearing. Here's two middles. Another two middles. One of the middles by itself. Again, you can hear it with the mute. Okay, on the left hand, we have a full 120 basses with 7 registers over here. So there you have all of the bass registers. There are factory installed microphones, which are here. And so now let's get a little bit of music played here. This is going to be a nice little waltz. I'll give you with the mute closed and the mute open so you can get some variety to the tone. Now let's get a nice little polka here so that you can hear how this instrument can really bark out.